To start your magic ring, you're going to take the end of your yarn and take your 2 index finger and middle fingers, place them together. Take the end of your yarn and wrap them around once. Wrap it around twice. And then we're going to leave the ends right here. So this is how it looks from the back and the front. Get it? And I just use my 2 fingers right there to hold that tail so it won't get away from me. But keep all of your lines straight all the way around. Next, we're going to grab our crochet hook, whichever one that you choose to use. And we're going to take it and insert it through the middle loop and the end loop. So go in the middle, grab that end loop, and we're just going to pull it out. Just like that. Keep holding that tail. Don't let it go. I'm going to do it over from the beginning. So wrap your yarn around 3 times. Or twice if you want to count twice. Skip that first one. You never want to go into the first one. That's how you lose your loop. Go into the middle. Grab the left side with your hook. And just slowly pop that loop up. Now, you see that? Nice pretty loop. Now to finish it, to finish this off, we're just going to reach around. I know this looks very awkward. Reach around and grab your yarn and pull up a loop. That's how you secure your magic ring. To where you can take it off your fingers and boom, there you have it. Then you just start crocheting, doing your single crochets into your magic ring. And there you have it. And it's really hard to see. But there you have it. You have your magic ring. Hope that this little tutorial helps you guys for those who are struggling. Thanks so much for watching. And good luck on your craft.